All right, July 3rd. This has been 2 weeks since the last video because I've been busy. All these squash type plants have done really well. The corn's doing okay. I really don't know what's going to happen with corn. I just don't know. There's my shadow. And down here we got some zucchinis growing. Yeah, the garden needs to be weeded pretty bad. We're definitely getting fruit. There's one at least, and I think this one over here had a couple on it at one point. There's one in there. Or yeah, there's one. The cabbages, they're starting to get eaten up a little bit. Bugs are getting on them and whatnot. We're gonna dump a bunch of 7 dust on them. So all those cabbages are gonna get, see right here, this little guy, little nasties in there. Brussels sprouts, honestly they look tore up. They look pretty tore up. Something got to them, and I think it was woodchucks. We shot all the woodchucks, got rid of them. Cucumbers, they're small. They're trying to grow. Little black-eyed peas. Onion patch, looks good. These are radishes. Daikon radish, like a Korean radish. They're for kimchi, so who knows? Maybe they'll turn out. Pumpkin. This is our poblano patch. Some of these died, so it's become more of a horseshoe shape than it used to be a full patch. But green beans in the back there, and then of course there's gourds back there doing whatever they do. My intention with the gourds and all the plants in the back was to give the animals something to chew on that I didn't care if they chewed on it. So that's why those are up against the back row. And the cabbages are on the front row because I don't know how to row crop very well. This peppers look good. These little spots were a straw. We put some more seeds in, I think pumpkin. Assuming that we'd get more room because things would die. And they are dying. The eggplants over here, they are getting eaten by slugs extremely bad. You can probably see that. So those are all gonna get 7 dust on them, and we're going to murder the heck out of those slugs because they're destroying these plants. So that's gonna be fun. I think it's basically diatomaceous earth, pretty much, in a bottle. So everybody can get scared of that, but that's all it is. And then tomato patch is doing fine. Probably gonna cut it short here. Gotta go get my harmful chemicals and murder all those stupid bugs. So we'll catch you later, a week or two.